Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to turn on or off ignore touch input when using pen on Windows 10 PC using registry editor. So just click on this one, a start button, and then type res edit. Then click on this one, registry editor entry. This will open registry editor on your Windows PC. Then you need to copy and paste this one path from this one video description. You will find the link in this video description and then press enter on the keyboard. This will take you up to the pen key. On the right side of the pen key you will find pen arbitration type, this one res reword. Double click on this one. You can enter here value data 1 to enable this feature. That means it will ignore a stylus or pen when you will put here value data 1, and in case you don't want to enable hand touch while using pen or a stylus, just here type 3 in value data field, then click on this one OK button, close the registry editor and restart one your and finally restart your Windows 10 PC once to enable or disable this one feature on your Windows 10 PC. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.